All right, guys, thank y'all for joining me back at the Rolling Grill today. Fish and grits, baby. Yes, sir. Right here on the Rolling Grill. Yeah, boy. All right, guys, thank you for joining me back here at the Rolling Grill. We got a good one today. Real simple, real easy. I'm going to do a little bit of talking, but I'm going to let y'all just watch me work for the rest of it. But today what we're going to do is we're going to do fish and grits. And this right here is catfish fillets. To me, catfish fillets make the best shrimp and grits. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm going to be using my QQ dust or any kind of blackening seasoning will work. Simple. Season it up on both sides. We need something that's got a little bit of sugar in it because we kind of want to blacken it. We're going to cook this in a cast iron skillet to get started. All right. All right, there we go. Season it on both sides. That's all the seasoning I'm going to use. If you want to, you can go in with a little dry parsley, or you want to save it for the end. That's fine. So we got the fish ready to go. Let me go ahead and get the cast iron skillet ready, and then I'll let y'all see me work from here on out. Stay tuned. Out of Atlanta, Georgia. Delicious sauce. You can find it if you have a Kroger. You can definitely find it in Kroger. But this is what we're using to place it for. Bottom. What I've done is I've added flour to this, like 3 tablespoons of flour, and now I'm starting to get everything off the bottom of that skillet that was in there. I did not throw anything away. This is catfish, not as fishy as like a salmon or something like that, so I'm using everything that's at the bottom of that pan to make this sauce. So I'm going to cook this down until that flour taste is gone. Matter of fact, it's already been cooking for a minute, so now I'm going in with my peppers, onions, and my garlic. I'm gonna cook this down. And then once I get this cooked down, I'll go on my rotel. But I'm gonna wait on this. Stay tuned. ahead and mix that in there. And I'm just gonna cut the heat down and let this cook through for about 5 minutes. If it's too loose, let it cook down a little bit longer. If it's too thick, add more stock. And of course, you want to taste it before you do anything else. I already tasted this.